In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively record your Google Slides presentation. Whether you're using the built-in recording feature or opting for a screen recording tool, this guide will walk you through the process with clarity and detail. Let's start with using Google Slides' own recording feature. First things first, make sure you have your presentation ready. Simply head over to Google Slides and open the file you wish to record. Once you're all set and you've reviewed your slides, look at the top right corner of your screen for the Record button. Click on it and then select Record New Video. You'll then see a red Record button. When you're ready, hit that to begin your recording. Perhaps something didn't go exactly as you planned or you stumbled on your words. No worries. You can pause the recording and click Re-record to start fresh. After you've finished recording and are satisfied with your presentation, the next step is saving it. Simply click the Save to Drive button, and your recording will be secured on your Google Drive for you to share or revisit later. Now, if you prefer using a more versatile approach, opting for a screen recorder might be the way to go. Tools like Loom, Screencastify, or Zite can offer additional flexibility and features. Start by opening your Google Slides presentation and entering Present or Presenter view. This ensures your audience sees only your slides in their full glory. Now, fire up your chosen screen recording tool. You'll need to select the recording area, decide whether you want to capture your entire screen or just the window with your slides. Once that's set, launch into presenting your slides, narrating your content as you go. The screen recorder will capture it all as you move through your presentation. When you're done, stop recording. Most screen recording tools have intuitive controls that make this part straightforward. For those of you interested in polishing your presentation recording further, many screen recorders also come with built-in editing features. Use these tools to trim, cut, or adjust your recording, ensuring it's just how you want it. Once edited, save your file in a format that suits your needs, ready to share with colleagues, students, or whomever you'd like. Recording your Google Slides presentation, especially with additional narration or webcam footage, can elevate the presentation experience, providing a personal touch that simply can't be captured with slides alone. Whether using Google's built-in features or opting for third-party software, ensure your setup is conducive to capturing a clear, professional quality presentation. This concludes our step-by-step guide on recording Google Slides. I hope this was helpful and you feel more equipped to create engaging, dynamic recordings that enhance your slides content. Thank you for watching and good luck with your recording.